Hi guys, as we have been trying to understand how to update a resume. Let's say like we have a job we are looking for, we have a resume, but we feel like due to some skill sets we may get the rejection. So what is the solution? Like maximum people what they do, they try to add some skill set as per the job descriptions because they have missed out to update in the resume. So we suggest always whenever you are applying for a job and your resume, the resume which you have, is not perfect as per their job, and rest things are fine, like domain is fine, years of experience is fine, location wise is fine. So only skill set is something where you are lacking up, and you know that a skill set can be added there. So just go ahead with the process. I'll be explaining now. So let's say we do have a resume of business analyst healthcare. So we'll find out here business analyst healthcare jobs first, as we are targeting C2C jobs, contract jobs in US. So we'll write down here C2C as well. We'll click post section here. We'll take the latest jobs, and as per the criteria we need to match up like our candidate is comfortable or not. Let's say this is the healthcare business analyst requirement, Houston Texas, local candidates only. If our candidate is local only, then we need to submit for this job. If our candidate is not local, we will not submit. So now let's talk about the skill sets. Let's say all criterias are matching, then we'll come to the skill set. So if you can see, this is a service now business analyst job. Okay, we are looking for ServiceNow business analyst and specializing in HR service delivery, HRSD, in the healthcare domain. So this is the first thing you should be having in your resume. Without that, even your resume is of business analyst healthcare, it would be rejected. Okay, even if you will do the follow up, you will not get the response. Positive response will not come because your resume is not matching. So let's check the resume what we have. We'll open up the resume, and here we'll try to find out if these things are there in the resume or not. So control F, service now, there is zero skill set, and we know we can update this because the candidate can handle that too. So will how we will get the points? Previously we used to do so many researches, so many things and all, but now we do, I would suggest only two options to update the resume. One is that on Google you will write down X-ray search. Another one is ChatGPT. Okay, so which one suits to you, you can use that one. Either you can use both, it depends on you. So we are looking for service now business analyst resume. You will write down here in the title, and doesn't matter for the location and all keywords, we don't need to exclude any keyword here. And keyword we need service now, and if you need any specific skill set you can write down here too. Let's say add one more skill set from the this JD only. This HRSD something they have written, so let's write this one too. Mhm. Service now and HRSD, and find right people on LinkedIn. It would open in Google. You will get many profiles here. You would try to open it up. You would be able to see the LinkedIn profiles of the people who are having the same keywords. Generally, people write down the summary part here in the projects. If someone has written that, so that's really great. If someone has not written on that, we'll move to the next. I would suggest like go for the Indian resumes more because you will get the things in those resumes more. So let's come here and let's find out any Indian name, this one, and go to this one. So I'm just checking out these two resumes here and find out the things here. Yeah. So if you see, they have added the points here. So you will just search here service now, and you will find out. So you can copy these points related to the skill set, go to the resume, paste the, like in the summary part also you need to add the keywords everywhere actually, because they are asking this mandatorily, like they need to have the experience, so they want it in a way like it should be reflecting everywhere. So if you see, this is here, but you, what you need to do after pasting it, you need to uh, match the formatting as well. So what is the solution for that? You know, like this, these points are looking a little bit different, so you will select the previous points. Here is a point like option formatting filter painter, you will click on this, and from down to top you will do this, so it would format in the same manner, and you will remove the gaps here if any gaps are there. I think it has been just copy and pasted like this. So in this way, if someone would search on the resume now, service now, you will see two times it is showing. So the main keyword it is, so it should be everywhere as I told. So we need to add up multiple points. In summary only, we have added these. In this way, now you can see service now three times. Will come to the project. In project also we'll add the points. Same way, we'll copy the points here from here and we'll paste it here. We'll copy the things here from formatting painter, and then here you can remove this point. So if you will see it, it is looking like same now in terms of the formatting, correct? So now if you will see, service now is five times in the resume. So same way you will add this keyword in all the projects whatever are there in the resume. Okay, you need to make a resume where you are having the keywords multiple times. One keyword should be reflecting at least 10 times. So you can take the points from different resumes. Let's say a few points you can pick up from this one, few points you can it is not here, so let's move to the next one, not here too. You can come on this one, you will find out the points on here too, and you will add the points in the summary and all from these things and just make the perfect formatting. It is not about one keyword. You will go through with the job description. This is HRSD, ServiceNow, healthcare domain, it is already there. You will see if any another thing is there which is something looking we should add to the resume. Let's say case management, employee service center, these kind of keywords, UAT, these kind of keywords you'll add to the resume, will make a perfect formatting copy, and then we'll submit. And when you submit, in the subject line when you write submission business analyst healthcare, in bracket you can mention the skill set as well. HR with he has like HRSD experienced, whatever is mandatory, service now experienced or something like that, it would give the weightage. How you can do same thing from the chat gpt? In chat gpt you will give things here, service now HRSD points to add in business analyst resume, give 10 to 15 points, not so long. You can write anything in ChatGPT, you will get the things accordingly. So it would give you the points here too. You can copy points and you can divide in the resume, and you can make it like in that way whatever you want to, and then you can submit. So I hope this helps to submit a updated resume when you are having the idea skill set can be handled by the candidate or you. So like you don't need to be searching points here and there. Stay tuned, try to understand, try to implement on the resume. If you have any questions and doubt, you can come to me by comments and all. Thank you.